What is the biggest challenge you find with 3D printing?
Well, definitely speed. The faster the machine goes, the more I can build.
The waste problem. Most multicolor printers on the market are wasting huge amounts of filament.
Materials is the biggest thing. So to be able to create more comfortable and stylish designs, I want a tool that can handle more complex materials at once.
Finally, all these problems have been solved. Introducing the Snapmaker U1 Color 3D printer. A 3D printer that's faster to print, lighter on waste, and costs less to run. Our 4 Toolhead design skips wasteful filament purging, meaning you can do more with less. That is Snapmaker.
Because of the shape of this robot, I knew right away that it will not be easy to post-process and very time-consuming. But now that I have this machine, I can pull it off very easily.
With SnapSwap, 4 tool heads running different filaments are always on standby, with a new color or material ready to go in under 5 seconds. The result? Faster and more efficient multicolor prints.
U1 can also use special support materials that are super useful for complicated parts. And they are very easy to take off. So satisfying. The machine can support different materials, not just PLA and PETG, but also water-soluble supports like PVA, which make post-processing a lot easier.
This is perfectly good filament, and it's just wasted. I'm a marketing manager at Snapmaker, but also a dad. So, of course, we 3D print at home. But look at all this printer purge. I'm so excited we finally have a solution for you.
4 independent tool heads means no need to flush perfectly good filament. Just snap and swap.
With our machine, I can make as many cool toys and other stuff for my daughter. On top of that, it's easy.
The Snapmaker U1's filament management system automatically handles filament detection and loading. Just pop it in and watch it go. Meanwhile, automatic flow calibration uses a built-in sensor to measure the pressure inside the nozzle and dynamically adjusts the extrusion flow to ensure ultra-high print quality.
With the app and the smart features, it really is a plug-and-play device. The whole family loves it.
With my designs, I'm trying to push the boundaries in fashion to innovate. But you can only go as far as your tool allows. Not a lot of 3D printers can handle TPU, let alone multicolor TPU. And the ability to do multi-material has really expanded what I can create. I think this bag is a great example because it goes beyond using 4 colors. Not only am I using them for style, I was also able to directly integrate a different material for the zipper. I would not have been able to do this before. And you'd be surprised how reliable a 3D printer with 4 tool heads actually is.
Our automatic calibration system calibrates XYZ offsets between multiple tool heads, ensuring seamless, repeatable accuracy every time you swap.
As a fashion designer, of course I also love shoes. And 3D printing is a great tool for personalization in general, but for footwear in particular. I'm just dabbling in shoe design myself, but I can see the opportunity. You can 3D print the outsole, the midsole, and the upper with different materials in one go. So I'm so excited to see what shoe designers are going to do with this machine. The Snapmaker U1 opens up this opportunity to explore new garment designs. And I can't wait to see what others will do with these tools in terms of footwear.
My whole family can create memories together. With U1, we can do all of this in a much more sustainable way.
With the Snapmaker U1, makers, cosplayers, and anyone with an idea can bring it to life faster and share it with your friends around the world.
Setup was easy, speed is unbelievable.
It can print high-quality multicolored models while using less filament and save a lot of time.
Multi-filament prints with no waste, no time lost.
My favorite feature is definitely the print speed that the U1 is capable of.
Now print fully assembled, even in multiple materials.
The Snapmaker U1 makes calibrating tool offsets so easy.
Snapmaker U1 changed the game.
Everyone over at Snapmaker, you guys did a phenomenal job.
No matter where you are in the world, we invite you to join us on this colorful journey. Get your Snapmaker U1. Back us today.